fish in here were actually mostly brought for the aquarium trade. They were taken from the ocean. We were very, very careful about that kind of stuff because reef fish are actually under a lot of strain. So we don't want to disturb those environments. So pretty much everything in here was either brought in captivity or harvested sustainably. Most of it was brought in captivity for the aquarium trade. And there's an organization that we deal with that actually makes certain of that. There's a process they need to go to prove where the fish came from. That's where the fish came from. And the corals were actually, some were grown in-house, and some came from other institutions like the Waikiki Aquarium, and also some were confiscations from fishing game. Some trust imported, and then they can be saved in the paperwork and it gets confiscated. They're fortunate enough to find a home here with us. So we think that's kind of cool, but we wish people would do another time to identify.
Yeah, so a very important question, and I did notice a fish here that or that was donated to us. He's right by your right shoulder, Mr. B, that beautiful one, an emperor angelfish, yellow stripes, a purple background, and a purple raccoon stripe through his eye. That is our largest one, and the only one that was donated by someone that just grew too big for its tank.